There's a loud outcry from homes where parents have lost their young ones, where the society has lost young, vibrant people, and the church as well has lost young people. Who am I? The biggest outcry is us young people losing our identity. Who are we? What have we turned to? Who am I? The last time I checked, I am fearfully and wonderfully made. I am born of God, and the evil one does not touch me. I am holy without blame before Him in love. I have the mind of Christ. I can do whatever I need to do in life through Jesus Christ, who gives me strength. I am born again. I am set apart for God's purpose. That is who I am. That is who you are, and that is who we are. Welcome to our first Praise and Worship Zion Collaboration Youth Conference 2024. We hope and pray that you find yourself in this conference. My name is Mwabonke Tombela, daughter of Pastor Wandile Tombela. I thank you.